Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kelsey, and Black Lives Matter, and that shouldn't be controversial. In this week's video, I was supposed to go skydiving, but it turns out I've got some wisdom teeth growing in, and I've got a super bad earache and toothache. I've gone to the dentist, I'm on medicine for it, and I am planning to get my wisdom teeth taken out, but I can't skydive because if you don't know, let me tell you, if you skydive with an earache or any kind of ailment in this area, it kind of just gets worse, or it's super painful. So I won't be doing that. But I didn't want the weekend to go to waste, so I decided to pack up my car, pack up the little pup, and take her camping for the first time. So we're gonna go to Long Point Campground. It's in Sebastian, it's about 45 minutes from me, and it's over on the water and it's really beautiful. So we gotta go check in. I'm gonna finish loading up my car and some food. We're gonna go spend a weekend in a tent. Alright, so the car's all packed up. We're all ready to go. So I'm currently in the middle of the road because for the first time ever, my paddleboard decided to fly off my car along with the bars that hold it onto my car. And now my board is outside. It's pretty damaged and I have no way of getting it back to my house. So I'm gonna call for some help and just bring the board home and then head back out to go camping and try to relax and have a good time and just hang out in the water. Oh! At least Vienna's not stressed. She found a new little throne. Good idea for a car seat, huh? Anthony came to save the day. Okay, luckily Anthony, who's behind me in the truck, was able to come pick up my board. He's gonna take it home really fast and fix it for me, and then hopefully meet me over at the campsite. So we're gonna head out. Little princess really likes this idea. Alright, so we made it, set up the tent, and now I'm gonna cook myself some dinner because I'm hungry.
See it? Underneath?
Yeah, it's coming back down.
Yeah, no, that's probably the, I don't know. Well, what's the rest of that up top then? That's on fire, whatever it is.
Good girl.
Don't drag this down any longer. Sausage.
Oh, look at all the cactus.
Huh?
All the cactus.
Check that.
Cacti. I'll have to bring the ball when we go paddleboarding.
Yeah. Come on, let's go. Those are terrace. Come on, let's go. Come on.
Hi. Oh,
Yeah, come on.
are you having fun camping? We're pooped. Here's a little tent tour. Got the air mattress, AC unit, and our little screened-in patio. We're just relaxing. It's like 6 a.m. We woke up at 5 and watched a rocket launch from, I think it was the Kennedy Space Center. We went for a little nature walk. And now we showered real quick and now we're just hanging out, relaxing before we gotta take the tent down. We're gonna go paddleboarding all day. She's gonna be exhausted. What happened? What happened?
I was making noise.
Oh. You tired, honey? You all camped out? Yeah.
Huh? You got something I can poke this with, maybe?
All packed up. Yeah, it literally is packing a parachute. Judgy. So I ran out to my car to fix my braids in the AC because it's so hot, and I just finished this side. Look at this compared to this. Now this side, she's been through it. She's been camping. This side's like, oh, we're getting ready. We're gonna go paddleboarding. Right, little ma? Anthony tried to fix the board, so we'll see.
Does anybody else need one? I'll get
Duct tape will fix anything.
Does anybody need another
Right, babe?
one?
Especially designer duct tape.
Oh, yeah. Did you make a new friend? Vina!
But out of where? Out of Sebastian.
Yeah, there's a drop zone over there.
Where do you see
The board, it lives. We got to go paddle boarding. We went on some cool floats, had some nice family time. She is pooped. We're gonna go explore some flea markets out here and then head home for the day. She's so tired. Pooped from this trip.
Thanks for coming in, guys.
This place is so cool. You like it here?
She does. She wants to.
Okay, bye. Wouldn't be a camping trip if you don't get fast food. Burger King has an Impossible Whopper, which is a vegan burger. So I'm getting that and some fries. And they don't fry their fries with their chicken, which is also vegan. So that's nice. She is pooped. Hey guys, that's that's it for this week's video. I didn't really get to film an outro. You can see my face is pretty swollen and I'm in a lot of pain. Today is Sunday and I went to the dentist on Friday. Despite taking meds, when I got home yesterday evening, I wasn't really able to chew or swallow like any of the food that I got. So I took the medicine and then went to bed. This was about 5 o'clock. I slept until about 9. Woke up and then brought myself to bed. Got my stuff together for work. And then went to bed and then woke up this morning very swollen and in a lot of pain. I don't know if there's an infection, maybe, or if, maybe I just need to get my wisdom teeth taken out sooner than I thought, but I have a really high fever and something's going on, maybe but I'm gonna go to the hospital, and since it's Sunday, I'm just gonna find whatever dentist is open and available and see what we can get done. Like I said, today's Sunday morning. At some point I'll finish editing that video and put it out. But right now I'm not up for anything. I couldn't even go to work. So, I don't know, thanks for watching and being patient and waiting for me to feel better to edit and post this. Subscribe. Stop over here. Stop over here. And I'll talk over here. The urgent care opens at 9 a.m. So I have to sit like this for another like half hour. Bye. Quick update. Waiting to see a doctor. Okay, so I'm back in my car. And just as I expected, the urgent care recommended that I see an oral surgeon and have my tooth removed as soon as possible. Unfortunately, they're closed until tomorrow, so they gave me some penicillin, some stronger pain meds, and I'll take those today, and then hopefully at least the infection will go down, and then I can go in and get this removed before the end of this week. But again, I'm really sorry about not getting this video out on Saturday like I normally do. I'm gonna go pick up my meds now, go home and try to just relax a little, and then maybe after I take a quick nap I'll wake up and do some editing and then post this. But otherwise, camping was a lot of fun. I really did have a great time. I still haven't been able to really unpack anything. Anthony helped me unpack some stuff last night, but I literally got home, tried to eat the Burger King that I bought, and just got real sick and went to bed. They were concerned that maybe I had COVID because of this cough, but then determined that it was probably more from the fact that I was vomiting from pain. So, been a fun Sunday. Really looking forward to the rest of the week and getting teeth ripped out of my jaw. But they recommended an oral surgeon that takes my insurance, so hopefully we'll get this all out of the way this week. Maybe this week's video will be getting my wisdom teeth removed, and you can watch me be a fool and laugh and gas. I don't know, but I'm pretty bummed about the fact that I had to call out of work and wasn't able to edit this video on time, and still feel like garbage. But I'm gonna go take some of these meds and hopefully feel better, the swelling will go down, and I can maybe eat something today. Bye. Alright guys, so this is my final update for you. I came home, took the penicillin and the pain medication, and then they also gave me an anti-nausea, and then I passed out for, I don't know, like 2 hours. It still hurts to swallow a little bit, but the tooth or the gum itself isn't as painful. It's still pretty painful, but it's not as painful as it was this morning where it was inducing vomiting, so that's good. Like I said, hopefully these medications will really help the swelling and the pain go down so that I can work comfortably until I'm able to come up with the plan to get my teeth removed. That's it for this week's video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new videos every Saturday. I'm gonna go edit now, guys. Bye.